Hello everyone. Welcome back to the episode of Online Music Classes with me, Pawan Mishra. In this episode, we'll learn how to play bamboo flute. The flute is a very popular instrument of Sushir Bharati. In India, the flute is called by many names like Bansi, Bansuri, Murli, Venu, and many more. This is E-based bamboo flute. Usually, we use this flute for solo concerts. But for beginners, I hope it is big. So, choose a smaller one like C sharp, G sharp, B flat as per comfortable. Hold the flute in this way and be careful about the position of your thumb. It should not come here and it should not come here. Technically, correct positioning of your fingers is very important. The direction of these three fingers should be like this, and the other three fingers should be like this. And one important thing is use the middle part of your finger to close the holes. Do not use the top part of your fingers. This creates problems when you go to advanced level. So do practice in front of the mirror. How to play 7 natural notes on your flute. Place the center of this hole on your lower lip and blow it inside the hole, not outside, like this. Now close these 3 holes with these 3 fingers and blow it properly. Take breathe and play again. This is Sa. Now lift your ring finger up from this hole for Re. After that, lift your middle finger up from this hole. It will produce Ga. Ma is half closed, not full open. When this hole is fully opened, it produces Tibrama. In this video, we are learning the major scale. I will make a separate video on all scales and swaras. Then you will know what is Komal and Tivraswar. Now, let's move on to today's topic. It is half closed and half open. Now we are moving to 5th note, Pa. When you are going in ascending order, it means lower Sa to higher Sa. You have to little bit increase your blowing pressure on every coming notes. Close your all 6 holes and apply a bit more blowing pressure to produce Pa. For Dha, lift your ring finger up from this hole and close all holes tightly with the rest of fingers. Now open this hole for knee and apply a bit more blowing pressure. And finally, open this hole again for higher sa. But this time, you have to apply a bit more pressure. Then coming back, once again, so in this way, you can play Saregama on the flute. Okay, so that's it for today. From my side, keep practicing regularly and you take care.